Hello dear students, good morning everybody. Today I am discussing here chemistry of five-membered heterocyclic compounds. Here the first heterocyclic compound is furan. Furan is a five-membered heterocyclic compound having oxygen as a heteroatom. Here the structure of furan. Here is five-membered cyclic compounds and one of the carbon atom is replaced by the oxygen. This oxygen is a heteroatoms and you have tried this type of structure is a furan. Okay, see the next point is resonance structure. Resonance structure means delocalization of pi electrons within a ring. Here, this electron gives here is formation of double bond. This pi bond electron is gives to here. Here is formation of double bond, and this pi electron gives to here. Here is formation of negative charge. This type of you have tried the here give positive charge means here is electron given to here formation of positive charge, and this electron gives to here it means here is the formation of negative charge. You have tried this type of resonance structure for furan. See the next point, preparation. Here is the starting compound you have to use perfurol is oxidation reaction is takes place first and formation of perfuroic acid. Here is aldehyde group is changes to acidic group. And next on heating at 200 degrees Celsius formation of furan means this is the carbon dioxide is removed, CO2 remove, and here is the formation of furan. See the next here is perfurol is decomposed by using catalytic decomposition of perfurol in a steamer to produce furan. Perfurol is a decomposition means this is the CO2 CO group is removed and here is the formation of furan. Okay, in this way you have to write the preparation of furan. See the next point is the reactions. Means perfuran is react with the different reagent and formation of new product. Okay, so here first is the reduction reaction. Reduction reaction means addition of hydrogen here. The perfuran is react with the hydrogen gas in presence of nickel, palladium or platinum is a catalyst used here written as a nickel, and this hydrogen is addition to this carbon carbon double bond, and here is formation of carbon carbon single bond, and this type of the new product is formation is called as the tetrahydrofuran. From furan to tetrahydrofuran. Okay, here is here is the attached hydrogen, here is the attached hydrogen, here is the attached the hydrogen. Okay, the next reaction is the Gatterman Koch reaction. In this reaction, furan is react with the hydrogen cyanide and HCl to produce the perfurol. Here is the reverse reaction actually. First preparation perfurol to furan, and in Gatterman Koch reaction furan to perfurol. Okay, perfurol is prepared by using this reagent hydrogen cyanide and HCl, and here is the attach the which group this is the aldehyde group is attached to this group. This reaction is called as the Gatterman Koch reaction. See the next reaction, Gomberg's reaction. In this reaction furan is react with the diazonium salt. This is the diazonium salt, and in the presence of alkaline. Alkaline means this is the base solution. NaOH is the alkaline. Now you have to say here basic solution, and here is the formation of 2-aryl furan. This is the diazonium salt. Here is NH2 group means diazonium salt formation, and this aromatic ring AR means aromatic group is attached to this secondary position and formation of 2-aryl furan. Aryl means it is the aromatic compound. You have to attach this position, and this structure is a furan. So it is a 2-aryl furan, and here remove the nitrogen gas. In this type of reaction, you have to say the Gomberg's reaction. See the next coupling reaction. Here is same. The furan is react with the diazonium salt, and here is formation of diazo compounds. Here means the nitrogen group is attached to this and AR group is present here, means here is N double bond N, AR group is attached to this furan. It is called as the coupling reactions. Here the formation of azo dies. Azo group means N double bond is a azo, and here is the O and this furan group is, and here is the AR group is attached to here, means here is the coupling of reaction is takes place. See the next reaction is Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder addition reaction. This means here the carbon-carbon double bond. Here is the presence of carbon-carbon double bond, and here is the presence of carbon-carbon double bond. Here furan and malonic anhydride is react to each other, and formation of this type of addition product is called as the Diels-Alder product. Here is the diene, and this is the dienophile. So it is called as the Diels-Alder reaction. Here is this carbon-carbon double bond attack on this position, and this carbon-carbon double bond is attack on this carbon atom, and here is the formation of ring compounds, and this product is called as the Diels-Alder product. Alright, this type of reaction. See the next reaction is electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Here in this electrophilic reaction, here is the nitration reaction, sulfonation reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, and Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. This type we have to already studied in previous years. Here in benzene ring, you have to study here nitration reaction, sulfonation reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, and acylation reaction. Here is only change the heterocyclic compound, furan. You have to write this type of nitration, means you have to use the here nitrating reagent, HNO3 and acetic anhydride, or you have to also use here H2SO4, and here is the attach of nitro group. NO2 group is the electrophiles. NO2 plus positive charges formation. Here is formation of 2-nitrofuran compound. This type of reaction is called as the nitration reaction. Or we have to use here SO3 in pyridine. Here is the attach of SO3H group, means sulfonic group is attached to this furan, is called as the furan 2 sulfonic acid. Here is Friedel-Crafts alkylating reagent used, and here is the attach of alkyl group. It is called as the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. C2H5 attached this position, and here in the last reaction, here is the acyl group is attached. Acylic group means COCH3 group is attached this position. It is called as the acylation reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. The name of this compound is 2-acetyl furan reaction. And see here the how the electrophilic aromatic reaction takes place, and this is shown in this mechanism. First, in mechanism, here electrophile is first generated, means formation of electrophiles first. This type of bond break takes place here, and here is formation of electrophiles, means positive charge on the group, and here is the negative charge. And this perfuran is react with the electrophiles, means Y plus, and is attack on this position, and this here is the formation of positive charge. Okay, electrophile is attacked at this position, and you have to write this type of the structure. And this next, the proton is eliminated, means this proton is removed, and this gives the here bond. Here bond takes place. Here the positive charge is neutralized, and you have to write this type of the substitution, electrophilic substitution product. This is the mechanism. You have to write here for nitration reaction, NO2 plus is positive charge for NO2 positive charges formation in first step, and next step you have to write this NO2 group is attached to this position, and here is the hydrogen is present. In next step means here is the third step, this hydrogen atom is removed and here is the NO2 group is attached. This type of you have to write the mechanism for these reactions. Okay, in the next step, here is the position is selected, which is the most preferable or predominant. At the second position, the electrophilic is attacked on this position. You have to write this type of the resonating structures, and electrophiles is attacked at this third position. You have to write this type of resonating structure. See here is the number of resonating structure is formation at second position. It is a more stabilized due to resonating structure. So the electrophilic attack at second position is predominant. Okay, in this way this is the completed for the perfuron reactions or heterocyclic compounds. Okay, thank you.